thing you should do when you get on an MSC cruise is turn around and get right back off. Okay, so I've been the biggest MSC hater. I'm going to give it another go. Getting on Seascape, open minds, open hearts, can't lose.
Okay, I know I keep saying that I'm never going to sail MSC again, especially after I had a disastrous experience on MSC Magnifica back in February, but they wooed me back in with a free casino balcony room offer. And yeah, I'm a sucker for it.
And we are off to a good start. I had a really late boarding time and got here really early, and they let me get on. So far so good.
Okay, so positive early impressions. This is a gorgeous ship. I mean, it is stunning. Look at this. I will give MSC credit for the fact that their newer ships are probably some of the most beautiful ships that I have ever stepped foot on. And their onboard water park is pretty awesome. And my biggest issue with MSC has been the food, which even by cruise food standards is really bad. But my first day meals on this sailing, I gotta say, things are different. I'm really impressed. I might just have to change my mind about MSC. Stay tuned, we'll see.